On this 2020 to 2025 Honda CR-V hybrid, P1659 points to an electronic throttle control relay OFF malfunction. In plain terms, the PCM is commanding the PCM-FI subrelay on, but it is not seeing the power supply input it expects. The vehicle may have throttle control concerns, reduced response, a warning light, or it may simply store the code. Broadly, this can involve relay power feed issues, an open or short in the relay control or output wiring, connector problems, or a possible PCM fault. Start with the basic system checks, and if other codes are present, understand those first so you do not chase a symptom from another fault. To begin the confirmation, turn the vehicle to the on mode. The important diagnostic logic is simple. If the PCM-FI subrelay is being controlled on, but the PCM does not receive the power supply voltage input, the PCM treats that as abnormal and stores P1659. Keep verification separate from the circuit testing. First, reproduce the condition, then move into the relay power and wiring checks in order. Next, disconnect the PCM-FI subrelay and inspect the plus B dBW circuit at the disconnected PCM-FI subrelay socket. There are two power feed checks in this part of the routine, both with IG mode OFF, and both should show 12V battery voltage. If either power feed check is abnormal, the problem is in that circuit, and the power supply inspection has to be used to locate the failure before moving on. Before disconnecting the PCM connector, jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute. Then disconnect the PCM-FI subrelay and PCM connector A, the 72P connector. With IG mode off, check the PHY SUB RLYCL circuit between the disconnected PCM-FI subrelay socket and PCM connector A. Normal is less than 1 ohmega. Then check the PHY SUB RLY OUT circuit the same way. Normal there is also less than 1 ohmega. If either check is abnormal, treat it as a circuit problem and stay with the wiring diagnosis. If the open circuit checks pass, move to the PHY SUB RLY OUT shorted wire inspection. Again, before disconnecting the PCM connector, jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute. For this test, disconnect the PCM-FI subrelay, PCM connector A, the applicable evap purge connectors for the market, the evap leak check module connector where used, and the /F sensor 1 connector. Use the proper open or shorted wire inspection method for this short to ground check. Then inspect the PHY SUB RLY OUT circuit at the disconnected PCM-FI subrelay socket with IG mode OFF. Normal is more than 1 ohmega. If it is abnormal, the problem is in that circuit. Only after the plus B dBW power checks, the open wire checks, and the short to ground check all show normal results does this diagnostic path point to a PCM problem. Do not jump there early. Verify the repair and confirm the code stays gone after the affected circuit or control issue has been corrected. The clean way through P1659 is to prove relay power first, then prove continuity on the control and output circuits, then prove the output is not shorted to ground. If all of that passes, the remaining diagnostic direction is the PCM. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.